Hi, my name is Almagul Medetbekqizi. I was born and grew up in China and came to Kazakhstan in 2006 as a returned migrated Kazakh and now got a Kazakhstan citizenship. But all of my family still live in China. Recently, Chinese police arrested my mom, Kainigul Zada, who was born on 1st of April 1961 in a village called Kurtu, Durbiljan, Tarbaghatay region, China, and put her in a prison so-called political re-education camp in April, according to the information that I have received. The reason for the arrest could be because that she visited Kazakhstan for several times until 2016, as there is no other possibility or reasons for the arrest. She is a housewife and she has never committed any crime or participated in any protest against Chinese government. I last spoke to her on 8th of March 2018. Since then, I lost contact from her and all other members of my family. As I heard, they are not allowed to pick up any foreign calls or talks through social networks. According to some people who arrived from China, my uncle, Huatbek Akhan, who was born on 3rd of January 1961, and his only son, Huanshbek Huatbek, and his wife, Gulnar Shuke, were also arrested. My mom was dependent on medicine, especially insulin, due to her sugar diabetes. It has been 7 months since then. I don't know whether she is alive or not. I hope the President of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Nazarbayev, and the Foreign Minister of Kazakhstan, Kairat Abdurrahman, and also other international human rights organizations can help us. We will never lose hope and will never stop until we can meet our closest one and witness so many victims given freedom.